from the back of the line to the front of the line. Because whenever the hand of God is on you, it doesn't matter who is against you. If God is for you, he will move you from the back of the line. Anybody knows about the favor of God? It's when God favors you, not because of you, but in spite of you. The first king was Saul. He was the people's choice. The second king was David. He was God's choice. And it's one thing to be the people's choice. It's another thing to be God's choice. And there comes a time in your life where you don't care if the people choose you. You want to make sure God has chosen you. Because sometimes it's your time and not your turn. Sometimes it's your turn and not your time. Okay, rewind. Sometimes it's your time and not your turn. Sometimes it's your turn and not your time. But when it's your time and your turn, it doesn't matter who try to block you. God will move them out of the way because it's your tonight. He's going to give me some of this and he's going to give me some of that. Pressed down, shaken together, and running over. Is there anybody that got a this or that praise?